Hi guys, my name is Rama Jagan. I am telling today microbiology seminar. MZC studying in Nagar Karnool TTWRDC Men's, explaining about isolation of pure culture. Generally, microorganisms are found in nature as mixed population. They are mostly present in air, soil, and water. We know that they are present in air, soil, and water. Pure culture involves not only isolation of individual microorganisms from a mixed population, but also maintenance of such individuals and their progenesis in artificial media. It is not easy to isolate the individual microorganisms from natural habitats and growth under imposed laboratory conditions. Some common methods are in everyday used by majority of microbiologists. They have some common methods. They are pure culture of microorganisms that form discrete colonies of solid media. Example yeast may be most commonly obtained by planetary methods such as streak plate, pour plate, spread plate, and serial dilutions. I am explaining about first pour plate. Dilute the sample with melted agar, allow only in liquid medium so that bacterial cells occur distributions throughout the medium. Tubes containing melted agar medium. Temperature should be maintained below 42 degrees Celsius. Soil rejections occurs 42 degrees Celsius. Tubes pour into separate plate, mix well and allow to solidity. Allow the incubate. Observe the colony. They have two types of colony we have to see by the pivot plate, surface and subsurface. Then pick up the colonies by inoculation loop. We know very well about inoculation loop, the handle and spring-like structure, and the corner we have to take the bacterial culture, that is called inoculation loop. Disadvantages also have in pore spread. Subsurface colonies make disturbance to other colony. Temperature maintained should be 40 degrees to 45 degrees Celsius. Uses determination of viable bacterial count. They have counting was uses in pour plate and spread plate. Second one, spread plate. Mixed culture of microorganisms is not diluted in melted agar medium. Tubes containing sterile liquid, usually H2O water and saline. Tubes containing sterile liquid, usually placed on center of agar medium, spread with L rod. Allow to the incubate well isolated. Only surface colony develops. Subsurface colonies are not develops. Not required temperature at melted agar. And streak plate. This is the most common important method. Small amount mixed culture is placed on the tip of the inoculating loop or needle. Streak on the agar medium. Two successive streak with thin out the inoculated loop sufficiently. Microorganisms separated from each other. The same loop is used for secondary streak without inoculated loop. Allow to incubate the PPT. Observe the growth. We have to easily see that. And fourth one was serial dilutions. In this method we can use liquid medium. Serial dilution occurs in sterile liquid medium. Make the test tube. Mark equal tube with labeling. We have take 10 test tubes in serial dilutions and mark equal the length line in test tubes. Aim dilution to inoculation of series of tubes with microbial suspensions. So dilute all the tubes showing the growth only individual microbes. 10 milliliter of medium contains 1000 microorganisms. When 100 microorganisms in for 1 milliliter. 1 milliliter of medium bacterial culture mixed with 9 ml of H2O First tube shows a high population growth, but in the last tube containing only single type of microorganisms. This is about 4 plates, and I will showing the picture. We have to see that this is primary, secondary, and tertiary, and quaternary. These 4 plates in streak plate, and we have observed the this pure culture containing a single specific of organisms, more than one organisms mixed cultures. A pure culture is usually divided from a mixed culture one, and series labeling. This is serial dilution. Take 10 test tubes and label it the mark equal. And it was mixing all bacteria from take first test tube in 9 ml and add 1 ml of microorganisms, and we have convert 1 ml to another test tube like this 10 test tube. After last test tube containing only single microorganisms, so we can easily grow it in pure culture. One minute, I am sharing the screen. Please wait. See this. This is first one, pure plate. The sample of dilute the sample with the melted agar medium. Also we have take the PPT. Allow only one liquid medium, so that first take you have bacterial sample of first test tube and covered with a cotton plug. Second one, agar sample, second test tube, and it is also covered with cotton plug. First one was bacterial sample, and second one was agar sample. And it convert into viable bacterial count determination. We should be maintain the temperature 42 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. So this portrait was take very long time, and we have take so careful in this pore plate, and they have visible the bacterial count in this pore plate easily. Subsurface colonies make disturbance to other colony. When the subsurface colonies are disturbance to other colony. And second one was split plate. Mixed culture of microorganisms is not diluted in melted agar media. In this split plate, we have take 2 test tubes One is mixed culture sample, and second one is water or physiological saline. We should anyone water or physiological saline. And take the PPT plate. We have dropped the mixed culture sample from first test tube to second test tube and drop the transformed in PPT plate with the L rod. And this is the L rod I will showing. It is not exactly the shape because this is crane, so we can't straight line. And that physiological saline bent glass rod is called as L rod. This is in bent shape. Inoculation colony is growing on the medium. I will drawing 1 minute. In this spread plate, we not require temperature at melted agar. Placed on center of agar medium. And third one was streak plate. Most common important method. This is reason. Be careful. This is one was most common important method. Small amount of mixed culture is placed on the tip of the inoculating loop. We have take 4 PPT plates. Below the include of PPT, they are primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary. The same loop is used for secondary streaks without inoculating loop. We have streak on the agar medium. First we agar medium we streak in PPT plate. After we have mark the microorganisms with the inoculation loop by any shape as your wish. I will drawing 1 minute. This is 4 plates with agar medium preparation. In first primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary. In primary, mark as arrow shape. Second one this like. Third one straight line like this. And fourth one was any shape we have. We have observed the growth in this because the last we have first drawing to last one. We have calculated the microorganisms. First streak have 1000, second streak this like, last streak we have single microorganisms will be observed. And fourth one was serial dilution. Serial dilution. In this serial dilution, we have to take 10 test tubes, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, last one, and mark it with a sketch pen or anyone with labeling for equal size. And the test tubes filled with water H2O. All test tubes 9 ml of water. Not only water, it is dilute water, dilute H2O. And in we have filled the all test tubes with the dilute H2O. And first test tube we have to take 1 ml or 1 gram of microorganisms in soil or water, anything in soil. After this 1 ml of water transferred to second test tube, and second to third, third to fourth, fourth to fifth, like this 10 test tubes we have convert. In first test tube we have 1000 microorganisms, that 1 ml transfer to second test tube, they convert into 800, 900. Second test tube contains 900, third test tube contains 700 or 800, anything like this. 700, 600, 500, 300, 200, 100, 50, 25, 5, 6, and like this last test tube became as 1 microorganisms. Now we can simply observe the organisms in last test tube in microscopic. This is about pure culture of. Thank you guys.